How to transfer your Signal chats from your old phone to new phone. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to easily transfer your Signal chat from one device to another. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So in order to transfer chats, you will need two phones together. So if you have your own old phone, you just have to go ahead and open up your Signal on your own old phone. And then from here, you just want to head over to chats and all of your chats will be visible here. Now, if you don't have any chats but still want to transfer your account, that's completely fine as well. What you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. And here you will see your account section. Go ahead and tap on accounts right here. And once you get to your accounts, you'll have a bunch of options to change your Signal PIN. You'll have an option to enable PIN reminders, registration lock, advanced PIN settings, and under the account section, you have an option to change phone number and transfer account. So go ahead and click on transfer account to a new Android device. So to do this, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction, download Signal on your new device, and then you have to tap on transfer or restore account. And then from there, you just have to select transfer from Android device when prompted and then continue. Keep your both devices nearby. This is very important. Now, once you have downloaded Signal on your other device, just open it up and then select that you want to import chat from your old phone. Then tap on continue, allow these locations permissions on both of your devices. Now, if it's searching for a new device on your other device, it will show you an invitation. Just accept the invitation, and once you accept the invitation, all of your chats will be transferred to your new device. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.